We turned our studio from this into this, using a visual technique called projection mapping, and it is using the BenQ GV11. So let's check it out. Projection mapping is basically the ability to project images or even videos into objects that have irregular shapes, or telling the projector that you want the object or images to only appear at certain parts in the entire projection. Now, obviously, on its own, projectors can't do this. You would need a third-party software, and in this case, we were using the HeavyM, which we found to be the easiest software to use when it comes to projection mapping. I literally just dragged shapes around, added moving lines, looping videos, all by just blindly clicking around, and I managed to achieve this. I'm currently using the free version of the software, so it does have some limitation in terms of the features available, and they're quite a dick when it comes to the free version because they're not letting me save my work. But lucky enough, it does let me output at the maximum resolution that this projector can go, which is 1080p on an HDMI connection. So in a room without any lights, I think that the effects came out pretty well. Obviously, it will look much better if our studio is bigger, so the projection can be bigger as well. But currently, with what we have, I think we managed to achieve a really great result. Personally, I would like the projector to be brighter, as it currently goes to around 200 lumens. But I also understand that it is a portable projector, which means that the brighter it gets, the more faster the battery will drain. And in this case, the projector can last up to 2 hours without plugging in. But I definitely agree that with a brighter projector, it would make the results much more better in terms of vibrancy and general look. But for a projector this small, I think that the results are pretty dang good as it is. So if you watched the previous BenQ GV30 video, the GV11 comes with pretty much the same specs. Auto keystone, focus adjustment using the dial at the side of the projector, and the same number of ports on the side. It also has Android TV capabilities, so you can watch YouTube, Netflix, Amazon TV all on the go. It also has speakers that are tuned by Travolo, which is actually quite impressive. The remote is also identical to the GV30 with the ability to use voice commands using Google Assistant, control the settings and all that good stuff. However, it does project at only 480p while it is not connected via the HDMI port. While that might not sound great, surprisingly, it still looks pretty good. Especially if you're willing to bring the projector closer to the wall, then the image looks pretty sharp. Honestly, at that range, you wouldn't even think that this is a 480p projector. So personally, I think that this projector is good for those of you who are looking for something portable and inexpensive, and at the same time, you don't carry around a Bluetooth speaker. Speakers are pretty good, trust me. So guys, there you have it. If you want to know more about the GV projectors, I really recommend that you take a look at our GV30 review. It's pretty much the same projector. The only difference is that the resolution that it outputs it on portable mode is lower, and it only goes up to 1080p using the HDMI cable. But the fact that it is this portable and it's super light, I think that it's a great projector if you want to go over to your friend's place, watch a movie, or if you just want to liven up a party using projection mapping. And again, if you do want to know more about projection mapping, let us know in the comments below. Maybe we'll do more experiments. In fact, we're really thinking about buying the software and really using its full potential with many other projectors in the future that we review. So let me know what you think about the GV11 and the GV30 and about projection mapping as well in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video.